Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Feel free to comment down below. Okay? And kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay na po yon sa akin. And yeah, start na natin ng reading. By the way, if you want to check out kung paano makapagpabook ng reading sa akin, ito po. Madam P. Unipre. Yan. Or dito sa aking email, Virgo Philippines. Meron akong mga admin na pwede mag-assist sa'yo. And then, we do have new channel. Ito for Earth sign to. We do have here Earth sign Philippines. You might want to check it out. Actually, hindi pa siya masyadong active. So, hindi ako magtataka kung hindi mo siya agad ma-search or makita pa agad dito sa YouTube. But if ever, pa-subscribe na lang din ako doon. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Sana makuha ko energy mo. Kung hindi, okay lang. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Let's start what we have here for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Mini energy mo. Five of Cups. Okay, Knight of Cups. Kasalukuyan you're not happy. Nakakaramdam ka ng kalungkutan ngayon. Maybe pagdating sa love, maybe you are feeling stress, no? With regard sa person na kakonect mo. Maybe some of you pwedeng stuck because of a child. I don't know, maybe you are already in a relationship, married, or maybe you're dealing with a person na parang isip bata. Masyadong immature. And some of you with the Three of Swords, there could be a third party na involved, especially dalawa yung nakukuha nating energy. The Knight of Coins, the Knight of Cups. So, pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang na-stress ka, nainis ka, you want this to end na lang, no? And but some of you, hindi mo nga siya basta-basta pwedeng i-end because pwedeng may ini-end or may naiisip kang um, hindi pwede. May anak may children eh. Yung iba ganon. Yung iba naman could be for other reasons. No, you have your reasons na kung bakit ka stuck dito sa connection at sa relationship na to. Pero ito yung nagiging dahilan kung ba't ka nalulungkot. The Strength card, this is for the side of your person. This is Leo energy. Strength card, I feel like this is the person na pwedeng nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa'yo. The Seven of Wands and the Magician. I feel like itong person na ito is not being honest completely sa'yo. Like with the Seven of Wands, pwedeng meron siyang tinatry itago or hindi pa maipakita or masabi sa'yo. But with the Strength card, nakakita din tayo dito ng person. At hindi ko masabi kung ikaw ba'y laging galit or inis sa kanya or siya yung laging galit. But I feel like ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit ikaw ay nalulungkot ngayon. Kasi pwedeng itong person na to laging ganun. No? And you're like this person na wala kang magawa doon sa pinapakita, sinasabi at I can really see Leo energy here. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng pinapakita or may pagmamahal ka namang nararamdaman dito sa person na to. But, nakikita natin na you're thinking about yung past, yung relationship, yung love in the past, and like gusto mong mag-take ng action regarding that. Some of you want sex, like mabalik yung nakaraan or in the past, maybe because of sex or yung connection ninyo sexually. Pwedeng gusto mong mabalik yun. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Queen of Coins, the Knight of Wands. Clarify this. What's with the Queen of Coins and the Knight of Wands? Queen of Swords. Clarify the Queen of Coins, Queen of Swords, and Knight of Wands, please. King of Swords. Okay. You really see this person na parang Could be siya yung nasusunod lagi. And like a boss, or kung magka-connect kayo, magka-relasyon kayo, parang wala kang magawa sa kung ano yung ididikta niya, sasabihin niya sa'yo. So, ganun yung nakikita natin. Ayaw mo ng ganun. Itong person na to with the 2 of Swords and the 6 of Coins, I feel like gusto niya ng makipagtulungan dito. Like, gusto niya desisyon mula sa'yo. And I feel like itong person na to is willing siyang magbigay. But, hindi para ibigay lahat. Like, willing siya makipagtulungan but not, maybe financially, yung iba sa inyo, especially if may children na evolve, I feel like ito person na to, ito lang yung ibibigay ko sa'yo. 'Di ba? Ito lang yung kaya, hindi naman ito lang yung kaya ko, pero ito lang yung gusto kong ibigay. The other thing, no? Yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung ito ay medyo mature na relationship, like may marriage na involved, etong person na to, okay lang sa kanya makipaghatian, no? Pero hindi hati talaga, mas yung kapraso lang yung gusto niyang ibigay. And yeah, this person medyo nagiging selfish siya in a way. Pero might be kasi etong feeling niya is that naibigay naman na kasi niya lahat noon, or more ang naibigay niya noon. So, it's like nakakalkula ng person na ito na lang sa ngayon. Okay, ang gusto ko ibigay sa'yo. And some of you, material yan. Yung iba, could be love. Kumbaga, ngayon, medyo hindi na ganun ang level ng love na gusto kong or dapat kong ibigay sa'yo ngayon. Pwede ganun. Medyo, meron siya mga katuwiran. So, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading, this is not your reading. Huwag mong pilitin. At kung ayaw mo ng way ng aking pagre-read, pwede ka namang mag-next video, mag-leave dito sa channel, sa video na ito. And then, doon sa ibang channel namin, pwede mo ring i-check. Or, if you want, pwede mo namang i-check yung ibang videos na uploaded na, which is, pwede ka rin namang makarelate doon. Kasi, almost naman ang ginagawa kong video is timeless. Okay, kukunin ko na rin yung sa side ng person mo in the near future. What do we have here? Actually, I just saw, masyado tong marami eh. Pero I just saw this energy or feel this energy na parang ay kailangan ko siyang basahin. 10 of Cups, 3 of Coins, you do have your Palace of Cups, King of Coins, which is nagpakita na to kanina, bottom of the deck, Wheel, and 9 of Coins. In the near future, nakita tayo dito ng love, no? But, it would be a problem kasi nandun yung love, pero may mga itinatagong sikreto. I mean, itong person na to, hindi naman siya totally na wala eh. I mean, I feel like there's love still dito sa person na ito. Kaya lang, mas more on money. I want growth sa sarili ko. I want money, ganun. Medyo nagmumukhang pera itong person na to na parang nabaliktad or medyo nawalang gana or hindi na siya ganun ka focus pagdating sa love. So, parang love is there. May love naman yung person na to. Pero, kung love lang yung titignan, mahirap itong, kung dito na lang magfo-focus lagi. Parang, gusto ko naman mag-focus sa finances. Gusto ko ng growth financially. So, I'm seeing someone here being more loyal. Sa connection. So, pwedeng ikaw yon, no? Na nagiging loyal ka dito sa person na to. Because you're thinking about the family, etc. Pero the 4 of Coins, itong person na ito, nakikita natin siya as makasarili. And with the Moon, it's like secrets mula dito sa person na to. With the 9 of Wands, na maybe yung iba sa inyo malalaman mo or alam mo naman na talaga yung sikreto. Alam mo na talaga yung mga itinatago. Pero mahal mo yung tao. Na parang kahit mahirap or kahit masakit or kahit alam mong yung sikreto niya is hindi okay talaga. Para sa'yo, titiisin ko na lang yun. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao na nakukuha natin, titiisin ko. Kahit alam ko, ramdam ko na hindi na okay ang sa atin kasi may sinisikreto ka sa akin. And then, you do have here the Palace of Cups, the King of Coins, and the Wheel. This person wants changes. No, hindi lang financially. I feel like gusto niya ng changes pagdating sa I feel like sarili niya. So, I will be concentrating sa pag-focus sa sarili niya. And I feel like this person is nagkakaroon ng pagpaplano regarding some kind of ending in the near future. Pagpaplano regarding an ending. I mean, I would like to get an advice for you, Earth sign. Anong advice for you? Ace of Wands, Page of Swords, and yeah, this is, kahit hindi talaga ako, I mean, eto na yung advice for you. Kahit hindi naman talaga ito yung ah, gusto mo, but kailangan mo tanggapin. Page of Swords is here. So, the advice for you is think about the child. Pero at the same time, the Ace of Wands, this is showing to me as uh, nakikita ng child, or if you do have children, kung ano man yung totoong emotions mo or the real you, no, nakikita nila kung ano yung totoong ikaw. And hindi ka pwedeng magpakamanhid. I mean, some of you, pwedeng nagpapakamanhid ka, wala lang, hindi mo na lang iindahin, but kailangan mong umalis sa situation eh. I mean, nakikita ko itong picture, but the picture is showing to me na merong vulkan. Pag may vulkan, hindi ka naman pwede magstay sa it. You need to evacuate. You know what I mean? So, yung connection or yung relasyon nitong person nito, or dito sa person nito, is like parang vulkan na yan. Na parang sasabog, or kung hindi ka aalis, ikaw ang kawawa. No? Ikaw ang mahirapan. Ikaw yung masasaktan. And, you need to move out. And the last card is the Ten of Swords. Of course, you need to end this. Ten of Swords, the more na nag-i-stay ka, the more na masasaktan ka lang. So, if you're in a relationship with this kind of person, hindi na mahilaga ko nang sasabihin, iisipin ng child sa ngayon. Well, actually, hindi naman talaga ako pro broken family. But, iba na po kasi ang panahon ngayon kumpara sa panahon ng araw. Na parang, as much as possible, sige, magstay ka sa relationship kasi maganda buo pamilya, ganito, ganyan. Pero the child, they are the one na medyo iba na yung talino nila. Sabihin na natin, medyo mas matalino yung mga kabataan yan, especially pagdating sa social media, sa gadgets, etc. So, parang ganon. Malalaman nila mararamdaman mo, iisipin mo, iniisip mo or what. And, it's very challenging na mag-concentrate sa bagay na dapat pinagko-concentratean talaga ng mga bata, mga anak. Pag alam nila na yung magulang nila or yung nanay nila, tatay nila is like this. I mean, I will tell you this, itong connection na to na I can see marriage or relationship na wherein my child na involved. But, pwedeng things need to end for now, no? Para makapag-concentrate ka sa new beginning. And you have to accept na everything happened for a reason. May dahilan yan. Okay? Yung iba kasi parang ilalaban ko kung ano yung mga dapat kong ilaban. But sometimes, may mga bagay din kasi na dapat sukuan. Okay? And love yourself. No? 'Di ba kung ikaw makikita mo yung sarili mo, anong i-advise mo sa sarili mo? Halimbawa, ikaw yung you're a child and then sasabihin mo sa sarili mo sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, ano ang may advice mo sa sarili mo? No? Think about that. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.